Today, we're diving deep into the world of plant-based nutrition. You've probably heard about tofu and beans a million times, but what if I told you there are some incredible protein powerhouses out there that don't always get the spotlight they deserve? Let's explore 3 fantastic plant-based proteins that you might not be eating, but definitely should be. First up is tempeh. If you think you know soy, think again. Tempeh is a traditional Indonesian food made from fermented soybeans. This fermentation process is what makes it so special. It not only gives tempeh a firm, meaty texture that's amazing in sandwiches, stir-fries, or even crumbled up like ground meat, but it also makes it easier to digest and packs it with probiotics, which are great for your gut health. A single serving can provide a massive protein punch, often more than 20 grams, along with fiber, iron, and calcium. It has a slightly nutty, earthy flavor that beautifully absorbs marinades. If you haven't tried marinating and baking or pan-frying some tempeh, you are seriously missing out on one of the most versatile and satisfying plant proteins available. Next on our list is a grain that acts like a superhero, quinoa. You've probably seen it on menus, but do you know why it's so revered in the health community? Quinoa is one of the very few plant foods that is a complete protein. This means it contains all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies can't produce on their own. That's the same kind of high-quality protein you find in animal products, which is incredible for a tiny seed. It's naturally gluten-free and loaded with fiber, magnesium, B vitamins, and antioxidants. A cup of cooked quinoa gives you about 8 grams of high-quality protein. It's so easy to prepare, just like rice, and you can use it as a base for salads, a side dish for your favorite meals, or even as a warm breakfast porridge. It's a simple swap that can dramatically boost the nutritional value of your meals. Finally, let's talk about a tiny seed with a giant nutritional profile, hemp hearts. Also known as shelled hemp seeds, these little guys are true nutritional gems. Don't worry, they are perfectly safe and healthy to eat. Hemp hearts are exceptionally rich in protein. We're talking about 10 grams of protein in just a 2 to 3 tablespoon serving. What's more, the protein in hemp hearts is highly digestible. They are also a fantastic source of healthy fats, particularly omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, in a ratio that's considered optimal for human health. They have a mild, nutty flavor, similar to sunflower seeds. The best part? There's no cooking required. You can just sprinkle them over your oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, mix them into yogurt, or toss them onto salads for an instant, effortless protein and healthy fat boost. So there you have it. 3 amazing, nutrient-dense, and delicious plant-based proteins that deserve a regular spot in your kitchen. By incorporating tempeh, quinoa, and hemp hearts into your diet, you're not just getting protein, you're getting a whole package of fiber, vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. Expanding your food choices makes eating healthy more exciting and sustainable in the long run. What are some of your favorite underrated plant-based foods? Let me know in the comments below. I love getting new ideas from you all.